What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm at the headquarters right now. I was asked a few questions about helping to assist learning how to get a welding career or how to start a business and your finances are low, but you want to learn. Well, you can be a volunteer. You can volunteer your time to help work on some projects that I do independently, and I can volunteer my time to teach you how to turn a trade into a business or teach you a trade. So that way we both have some skin in the game. And I know it's a few people that actually want to get involved, but they don't have the finances right now, but they do have the time, and that's fine. Well, you can be able to help me knock out some projects personally. I can teach you what I know, and you can be able to use it in your personal life to help build your career and help build your family. It's all about giving, but we got to realize that we both have to have some skin in the game. So I'm willing to donate some of my time to help train you if you're willing to donate some of your time to help me knock out some projects. So that way we both can get a